Everyone keeps asking, so how's the market? Well, today, instead of drowning you in charts and stats, I'm giving you the real talk straight from my daily conversations with buyers and sellers in the Charlotte Metro, especially right here in York County. Let's break down who's actually moving in this market right now. Hey y'all, I'm Jennifer Cornegie, your local real estate expert here in the Charlotte Metro, serving both North and South Carolina. Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming right now, this is the perfect place to start. From moving across town to relocating across the country, I've got you covered. Check out the description below and feel free to call, text, email, or go ahead and schedule your strategy session today because I cannot wait to hear from you. And of course, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so this is totally unscripted today. It's just the question that I keep getting the most often, whether it is from one of you guys reaching out from YouTube or if it's a stranger in the grocery store and they find out that I'm a real estate agent, it is, how's the market? So here's what I say. Why do you ask? What is the reason that you need to know how the market is? And the reason that I ask that is some people just like to know the running average of how many days is a home lasting on the market, or what are the average price sales, around our area. They're just trying to gauge it. And then the comment usually, if there's someone who doesn't need to move right now, is, well, you can't beat my 3% interest rate that I got several years ago. And you know what? You're right. But what I do know is that there are people that every single day, regardless of interest rates, are choosing to make a move in this market, especially in the Charlotte Metro. Right now, the numbers are that like 157 people per day are moving to the Charlotte Metro. And while I do specialize in York County, South Carolina, I am licensed in both North and South. So I'm having conversations with people daily, and here's what I find. There are 5 to 6 categories of people that, regardless of what the interest rates are, they have to make a move. So I call them the 5 Ds of real estate. First one, diamonds. So if someone has recently gotten engaged or gotten married, they typically aren't focused so much on interest rates. They want to purchase a home, and as long as we can make it work for their monthly budget, that is what we focus on. So your diamonds are helping keep the real estate market going. Diapers. So if someone is expanding their family, again, they are the type of people that we are hearing from that aren't focused as much on interest rates and are going to go ahead and purchase. Number 3 would be deployment or relocation. So a lot of you guys are relocating here for various reasons. I have some people that are coming work-related, family. Some are retiring and are just wanting to get, to a good area where you're close to both the mountains and the beach. So they keep our real estate market trending. And then the 4th one would be, unfortunately, divorce. A lot of times, like divorce, it happens. We can't control that. And I have personally been through divorce. I have helped multiple clients that have gone through divorce. And, you can't time the economy on what's going on when your life situation happens. 5th category, another sad one, would be death. So when we have the loss of a loved one, I've got, someone right now who their grandmother just passed away. We have a home that we're working out, through probate. And again, it doesn't matter what's going on in the economy. We can't time these things. So I tell people when they ask me, how's the real estate market? And I ask them, the questions like I did earlier, it's really about like, what in your life has recently changed that has you thinking about moving? What is no longer working for you in your current home that you were looking for in your new home? And we focus on those things, and the rest of it, it's all going to work out. If you have a situation where you're trying to time the market, ask anyone. They wish that they had bought yesterday or last year or the year before. And it's because none of us can get this market thing 100% right. My suggestion is that if you're in a place where you can get approved to buy a home, then go ahead and do it. And when the market does shift, because it will, and when interest rates do come down, because eventually they will, then that is going to bring a whole lot more buyers into the market, and that is going to drive up purchase prices even more. So I remind my clients that you can always refinance your interest rate. You can't refinance your purchase price. So let's go out, find a home that works for you and where your family or your situation is right now, and the rest of it, we can figure it out. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. If you are ready to make a move and want to find a home in the Charlotte Metro, you know how to get me. Talk to you guys soon.